Welcome back to the channel. So it is Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. You can see we got a little bit of snow, and we have kind of our first major snowstorm coming in 2 days. So that means I got to get the tractor ready for pushing snow. So the tractor's been sitting for quite a while, but I keep a trickle charger on the battery. Otherwise the battery will drain on it. And then I have a hot water heater on the side of the block that I put on for a couple hours beforehand. And it's an old diesel tractor, but as long as I plug it in ahead of time and have a charged battery, it doesn't have any trouble starting. So I use a loader tractor for pushing snow. There's advantages and disadvantages. There's advantages and disadvantages to using a loader over a blade. In our yard, it tends to work a little better with a loader. Kids like it because then I can make piles for them and they can play on the piles in the winter. So what I'm going to do today, I have a blade. It's not very big, but I'm gonna bring the blade out, and I also have a big heavy box built out of an old water tank full of firewood that I normally put on the back of the tractor for counterweight. Otherwise, it does have fluid-filled tires, but if you get downhill at all, the rear end will spin, and everything here slopes one direction. Okay, so as I predicted, I did end up changing my mind. I decided to leave the box on the back of the tractor. We're supposed to get quite a snowfall, and the blade doesn't really do much if you have a lot of snow to push. So if I'm gonna have to be making some pretty big piles, I need the weight on the back of the tractor. But at least this year I have the blade up here in the yard if I need it. Ideally, I'm looking to get a little bigger blade for this tractor, something that's like 7 foot wide, heavier. It would add some weight to the back, and that I could tilt it. This one is wide. If it's sort of at a 90-degree angle, it's wider than the wheels on the tractor, but not by a lot. And then if you angle it, it's less, and so you end up running over snow. So I used to use this blade on a little 9N Ford that I had. I busted it, it's been welded up. So now I've got it around. We'll keep it up here, but I'll probably go back to the way that I normally do it, which is just to use the loader on the tractor and then have the heavy ballast on the back. I'm basically ready for snow in a couple days, and I'll probably do a video of that for you guys as well. So I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and we'll catch you next time.